In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a TXT record in Hostinger. Whether you're looking to verify your domain with an external service or need to update your SPF settings, adding a TXT record is essential. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure everything runs smoothly. First things first, before we dive into the specifics of adding a TXT record, it's crucial to confirm that your domain uses Hostinger's name servers. This is important because managing your DNS via Hostinger only works if your domain's name servers point directly to Hostinger. You'll typically look for name servers similar to ns1.dnsparking.com and ns2.dnsparking.com. If your domain is pointing to different name servers, you'll need to manage your DNS settings with that specific service provider instead, as changes made in Hostinger won't affect your domain. Once you've ensured your domain is correctly pointed, it's time to navigate to the DNS zone editor. Start by logging into your Hostinger account. If your domain is registered and hosted with Hostinger, click on Websites. If it's registered without hosting, you'll want to click on Domains. From here, select Manage next to the relevant domain. This will take you to the Management dashboard, where you'll want to locate the Advanced section. In that section, you should find an option called DNS Zone Editor. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the DNS Zone Editor, you're ready to add the TXT record. First, select the type of record you're adding from the drop-down menu, which in this case will be TXT. This tells the system what kind of data you're going to input. Next, you'll set the name or host. If this TXT record is for the root domain, you'll simply use @s. If you're setting a record for a subdomain, you'll need to enter the label of that subdomain, like shop for shopyourdomain.com. Following that, you'll need to paste the text you've been given for the TXT value. This could be an SPF string or perhaps a verification code, depending on your needs. It's also important to set the TTL, or time to live, which specifies how long the information remains cached. In most cases, you can stick to the default setting, typically 140-400 seconds, unless you've been instructed otherwise. Once all these fields are filled out, simply click on Add Record to save your changes. Now comes the waiting game, as DNS changes aren't instant. These changes can take up to 24 hours to propagate globally. This time allows DNS servers around the world to update with your new settings. It might require a bit of patience, but rest assured, your TXT record will soon be active. And there you have it, everything you need to successfully add a TXT record to your domain in Hostinger. Thank you for watching, and good luck managing your DNS settings.